For making Sabudana Vada, we need Sabudana, boiled potatoes, grated ginger, roasted peanuts, and chopped coriander leaves. Wash and soak the sabudana for at least 4 to 5 hours. Once done, it should get mashed with your fingers. Take a grinder, add the roasted peanuts and grind them coarsely. Don't make fine powder of the peanuts. We should feel the peanuts while having the vadas. We will now grate the boiled potatoes. You can mash them too, but grating them will give a nice texture to our Sabudana Vadas. So here is our potatoes ready. Now add the soaked sabudana, grated ginger, coriander leaves, roasted peanuts powder, salt and red chilli powder. Mix everything well with your hands. Mash the mixture for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Doing this will give a nice texture to our vadas. Once done, take sufficient amount of mixture in your hands and shape them in the form of a patty. The shape and size of the vadas depends completely on your liking. Similarly, we will make rest of the vadas. Heat oil in a pan on medium-high heat and add the vadas one by one. Fry them until they become golden brown in color. Flip the vadas once they are done from one side. Once done, take out the vadas in a plate. Similarly, we will fry rest of the Sabudana Vadas. So here is our Sabudana Vadas ready. Serve them with some tomato ketchup or enjoy them as it is. Hope you all have liked this video. If yes, then please like, comment and share this video with all your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.